Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to generate insane AI art for free, a beginner's tutorial video. So, let us begin. This AI art generator is not only incredibly easy to use, but also completely free. With just a basic understanding of how it operates, which we will cover in this video, you will soon find yourself capable of crafting stunning pieces of art on all of your own. Well, sort of, let's get started. So, the AI image generator that I will be introducing to you is none other than Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI takes creativity a step farther with the transformative power of our image generation tool. It is not just about bringing your concepts to life, redefine the impossible. From beginners to professionals, we offer a spectrum of settings that can be intuitively tailored to your needs. Before we dive into the exciting world of Leonardo AI, I won't be showing you how to create an account here since I have a video already covering that. I recommend checking out our video on how to get early access to Leonardo AI to easily create an account and join the creative community. Now, let's begin. Start by clicking on the AI image generation tool located on the left-hand menu. This is where the magic happens. Here, you gain full control over the image generation process, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect to align with your creative vision. Leonardo AI offers a range of adjustable parameters that empower you to craft AI-generated images with precision. You can modify settings such as image dimensions, aspect ratio, steps, guidance scale, and schedulers. These customizable options ensure your creations match your unique creative vision. The platform provides advanced models like Prompt Magic V2. It boosts your creativity by improving prompt adherence and image composition when paired with Leonardo's AI's models. To activate it, toggle the switch in the left menu. It also supports image prompts from up to 5 input images when enabled. And Leonardo Alchemy, a transformative 2D image pipeline known for its exceptional image quality even at high resolutions. Keep in mind, some features may require a planned upgrade. Now that you are well acquainted with the features and capabilities of Leonardo AI, let's walk through the process of generating an image using this remarkable platform. Step number 1. Begin by creating a prompt. Describe your creative vision in plain language. Step number 2. The choice is yours. You can enable additional tools like Prompt Magic to enhance your creative process. Adjust settings like strength and contrast to fine-tune your results. Or also add a negative prompt here if you want. Step number 3. You have the flexibility to choose the number of prompts generated. Whether you opt for 2, 4, or 6 prompts, it is entirely up to you. Step number 4. Click Generate to make your creative vision a reality. By the way, as a free user, you have 150 tokens and each prompt uses 20 tokens. Use them wisely or upgrade for more. But it's still better than not generating AI images for free, right? Step number 5. Now, be patient and watch the magic unfolds as Leonardo AI transforms your prompt into a unique image. And there you have it. You have successfully generated your first insane AI art with Leonardo AI. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, Leonardo AI offers a world of possibilities to explore. We hope this tutorial has ignited your creativity and equipped you with the knowledge to kickstart your journey with Leonardo AI. Enjoy the creative process, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in our next video.